Welcome back people. Let's see this question from GATE 2004 exam. It's also a 2 marks question and the statement reads, a CPU has only 3 instructions I1, I2 and I3 which use the following signals in time steps T1 to T5. Then they've specified these 3 instructions and their signals. So they're saying which of the following logic functions will generate the hardwired control for signal A in. Okay. So first thing that I'll say, you please watch my video on GATE 2005 question. I'll link it in the description or I'll pin the comment. Anyways, let's clear some basics. A in. What does it mean? This means this register A or this device A needs a input signal at that specific time. Okay. For example, A in is written here. That means this instruction I1 in clock cycle T1 needs a input signal which is to be provided to register A. Okay. Now let's find out what is the expression for A in. First thing that you need to do is you need to mark wherever A in is written. Okay, so I've already underlined. Next thing that you'll do is you just analyze in T1 which all instructions need A in. In T1 only I1 needs, instruction I1 needs this signal. Okay, so T1 dot I1. Now let's analyze this clock cycle T2 plus T2. I1 doesn't need A in, I2 also doesn't need A in, but here I3 needs this signal A in. So T2, I3. Okay. Let's analyze third clock cycle. It's I1, I3 and I2. All three instructions need this signal. T3, I1 plus I2 plus I3. Now you see, we don't really care which instruction it is. Actually, all of them need this signal A in. So it's really not necessary to mention this part. Okay, we can even skip this. This is not necessary to be mentioned here. We can only write T3 because whenever it's third clock cycle, you need not check which instruction is it. Okay, just directly output this signal or make this signal A in high because all three instructions need it in the third clock cycle. Okay, so next let's see the fourth clock cycle T4. Here we don't require it. Here also we don't require it. Yeah, but I3 needs it. So T4, I3. Okay. So this is the expression. You can see which option it is. Now you just notice how lengthy this statement was. And the answer really took like 30 seconds at max. If you know the concept, 30 seconds are really enough for solving such questions. The option is option number A. So correct option is A. And in the question, rather in the options, they haven't mentioned this part. They have directly written T3. Okay, I've already explained it anyways. Okay.